Hey guys, this is Sakib. Welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we have a special widget to announce. This is about the submenu widget created for designing mega menus using the Element Pack Pro plugin. On the display, you're seeing a beautifully crafted submenu with icons and different color sets to match your tastes. All these links are stacked nicely and will appear as nice as these on these mobile devices too. There's another example below so you can understand the potential and creativity that the submenu widget offers. Now let's see the backend customizations. First of all, go inside your WordPress dashboard and there click on the Core Widgets tab under Element Pack Pro. You can simply filter the new widgets and find the submenu widget which should be at the bottom of the table. Now turn it on and save the settings. Then open the target page where you will use the widget. Just reload it in case. Then find and drag the submenu widget inside the page. You'll see the default static menu as soon as you use the widget. There are 3 layout styles given for the widget. You can try them out to select the right one for your needs. By default, the submenu is divided into 2 columns. However, you can go from 1 to 6 columns from the options. Let's select 1. Then you can adjust the column gaps and row gaps to adjust the spacing between the menu items. There are 3 switches for controlling the visibility of the heading, subtitle and arrows of the submenu. You can still customize the heading from the text field here. The alignment option is given for the heading too. The fact is, the menu you are seeing right now is a custom static menu. However, you can select dynamic menus directly from WordPress by turning on the switcher and selecting a dynamic menu. Just like that, you can turn any existing menu within your system into a submenu for better handling. Let's switch off the dynamic menu. There is an arrow switcher just above that shows the menu arrows on hover. You can keep it on or turn it off if you need. Now the next section is where all menu items are listed. You can see them in ascending order. Let's close a few first. Now click on the leftover item box and you will see more options inside it. Here you can change the title of the item, then customize the subtitle. There are badge and link options available. Then let's select a menu icon from our inventory. Perfect. Now let's create a couple more items by duplicating this one and then customize them individually. Alright, all 4 of them look ready now. Then we can move to the additional options. Here we have 2 control fields to decide where you want to hide or show the icons and subtitles. For example, you can hide the icon on desktop, tablet or mobile. Now we can finally move on to the Style tab to customize the appearance of the submenu interface. From the heading section, let's change the text color to something light. Then from the title section, we can first change the text color of the title text for the normal mode. Then go to the hover subsection and change the color for hover mode. Then let's customize the font family from the typography option, both font family and size. Then from the subtitle section, we'll change the text color to something more light and a bit deep for the hover color. We can also change the typography for the subtitles. Let's change the text size and font weight. Then let's duplicate the column 2 times, making a 3 columns layout. Let's delete the first column and here we'll paste a pre-made submenu layout, making the same kind of layout for the third column too. You can easily create them as you have already seen in this video. That's how you can take advantage of the submenu widget to design your mega menu inside WordPress. Huge thanks to our supporters who encouraged us to bring this awesome feature to our users. Thanks for enjoying this video. Please like, share and subscribe and get quick updates on more widget tutorials. Stay safe and see you next time.